What's up, guys? This is Jason back in the shop. Been spending a little bit of time cleaning up my workspace. In that whole process, I came across a really cool tool. Well, turns out this is a single edge. Whoops. All right, so it turns out this is a single blade razor blade holder. And so if you take a look here, if you pop that little thing off, the blade comes out and you put a new blade in it. So this actually was my grandpa's, and so I thought it would be a really cool project to restore. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to disassemble this whole thing and we're going to give it a facelift, and we're going to basically put a brand new handle on it. We're going to take this metal part, take it apart in hopes that my good buddy Jacob can Cerakote it for us. So coming up to Jacob's shop right now. Let's see if he's in here. Oh, there he is. Hey, Jacob.
What's up?
I found a really cool project I need to see if I can get your help with.
What is this thing, man?
That's a single blade razor blade holder.
A single blade razor blade holder.
Yep. So I put it back together, but I wanted to see if we can take that metal part out and see about you maybe doing some Cerakoting on it.
Cool, man. You can do that. Holder, do Muflachi. You can pick out some paint colors.
Well, let's pick out some paint colors.
So what color is it?
Take my pen mold that's measures 5 inches by 5.5 inches, and we're gonna use it to cast the blank handle. And so this is the original handle from the razor blade holder. And what I'd like to do is make it a little longer so you can see how this is a bit longer. So what we've done, instead of pouring resin in the whole blank mold, I've taken a piece of foam core board and created a bit of a divider, so I'll have an equal 1 inch by 1 inch by 5.5 inch blank. So in order to get this sealed up, what we need to do is put a little bead of hot glue in here real quick. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so we're getting ready to pour our resin into our mold. We have all of our parts. We have our part A and part B of the Alumilite resin. We have our dyes. We have some interference pigments and a micro pearl. And we have a piece of aluminum honeycomb and a piece of cholla cactus. Get it out. We'll just stick our cholla cactus in there all kind of weird. Maybe like that. And our aluminum honeycomb, just stick it in there. All right, it's off to the pressure pot. Over mallet. See a little bit of the cholla cactus, a little bit of that honeycomb poking through right there. All right, we got all our pieces finished. We have our resin hybrid blank. It's got the resin, the cholla cactus, and the aluminum honeycomb, and then our amazing Cerakoted metal parts. And we've hammered in a piece of copper, but that looks kind of cool. So, and we've drilled out the end, and we're ready for assembly. Let's see what this thing looks like. Wow, that is beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and see what it looks like with a blade in it. Ooh, the action's nice. That Cerakote slick. That is a piece of work. What an awesome restoration project. All right, guys, thanks for watching the restoration. Hope you guys enjoyed it, because I certainly did. This project has turned out amazing. I'm super happy. So anyway, if you liked the video or you like the build, please, if you don't mind, hit that like button, get down in the comments and provide me some comments if you liked it, or if there's some things you didn't like about it. Please comment on that too. Also, please subscribe. I'm going to have other builds, projects out there coming up. So yeah. Anyway, this thing is back to this thing. It's awesome. So I wanted to give special thanks to a couple people who helped make this restoration project successful. To Kobe, my son, thank you for helping with the resin on this handle. Turned out amazing, so much appreciated. And Jacob, thank you for the really awesome Cerakote job. So you guys rock. Couldn't have done this project without you two, so much appreciated. I owe you big. All right, I gotta ask, would you do it?